Annual event bringing the community together to support patients battling cancer. Levan is out live in Chelmsford this morning ahead of the TeamWalk Motorcycle Ride for cancer care. Lev, this sounds like a really inspiring morning.
It's been great just to listen to people have their stories and talk about what this ride means to them, especially right here with Tim Bourke. Her husband, Timothy Bourke, he's in memory. This is what the ride's going to be for. First and foremost, when you heard that they were going to do this in memory of your husband, what did it mean to you?
I was overwhelmed. So grateful that we can keep his memory alive, and just an honor. Tim, if you ever got to know Tim, he was the most humble person, would never want any of this attention.
Sure.
But you know what? We can bring awareness to cancer and promote early awareness, and that's what it's about. If we can help some people, then it's all worth it.
51 is when he passed. I think you mentioned he had it for 18 months, or he found it 18 months beforehand.
No, he actually went in the hospital on Monday. April 22nd,
Sure.
and he passed May 7th.
Wow.
13 days.
13 days.
13 days.
I'm so sorry.
Thank you.
Oh.
Yeah.
What was it like to be in the hospital, see the hospital, try to take care of everybody that they possibly can? Because I know they go out of their way to make sure everything's wonderful.
I cannot say enough about Lowell General, the nurses, the doctors, the entire staff. Everybody was so kind. They just, whatever we needed, they were there. They just wanted to make sure, they actually wanted to make sure I was okay. I was eating. I was able to stay there. They moved us to floor D floor,
Sure.
so that I could stay with him 24/7. So very thankful for that, very thankful.
The idea of getting the word out earlier, early detection, how important is it for right now?
Extremely important. He had no idea. We don't know how long he was sick for.
Sure.
I'm sure it was probably a couple years. Colon cancer, they call it the silent killer. It is. He had no idea he was sick, and it was probably 4 or 5 weeks before. Wasn't feeling well, tired, not drinking as much water. No idea. And it just, like that.
So let's talk about the community and how they kind of come together here. You know what these rides look like. There's so much when you see 100 bikes out there and they're doing it for a great cause. One of the great causes is going to be your family this time. It's going to be a wonderful feeling.
I know. My in-laws and even my family were so overwhelmed with the generosity of the town of Chelmsford. Tim worked for the town for 30 years, and we're just overwhelmed. It's been a blessing, and we're very thankful that we can keep his memory and spirit alive.
You know, you're not going to ride, but you're going to be in one of the cruisers.
Yes.
Have you thought about what that feeling is going to be like yet?
Probably a little bittersweet that he's not here, but it's going to be a good day. We're going to celebrate his life, and that's all you can ask for. You know, when people pass, you have to keep going on, and you become strong. You don't know how strong you can be, and celebrate their life.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So much. This was wonderful having you
Thank
here all morning long.
Thank
by the
you.
way, that ride is tomorrow.
Yes.
So make sure if you want to sign up, do it for all the stuff that's great, like Colleen, your husband, and just the whole community and people who are suffering as well.
Yes.
So,
We keep them in our prayers.
exactly. Anna, back to you.
All right, Levan, thank you so much. That message of early detection is so important.